TROM 20 BUREVESTNIK is a huge 8-wheel amphibious all-terrain vehicle with ultra-low pressure tires. The design of the all-terrain vehicle consists of two sections. Each section is based on a sealed frame boat, inside which all components and assemblies are located. Each section has 4 wheels driven by toothed rollers using the tire tread pattern. At the same time, the roller clears the tread of snow and dirt while moving. Rotates the all-terrain vehicle due to the fracture of the frame between the first and second sections. The power unit of the TROM 20 BUREVESTNIK is an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine with a volume of 6,700 cubic centimeters and a power of 312 horsepower. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with huge wheels 1960 mm high and 900 mm wide. Each wheel has a displacement of 1,800 liters. The tires are inflated and deflated from the cab. The maximum speed of the all-terrain vehicle is 50 km per hour. The fuel reserve is 500 liters. With an all-terrain vehicle length of 13 meters, the weight of the vehicle is 12.5 tons. The carrying capacity is 5 tons, and the passenger capacity is 24 people. The specific ground pressure of the all-terrain vehicle at full load is 150 to 160 grams per square centimeter. If you put tracks on the wheels of an all-terrain vehicle, the specific pressure will be even less. Each section has its own interior heater, and there are also USB connectors for charging phones. VYMPEL is an all-terrain vehicle with an 8x8 wheel arrangement on a balancer suspension. The body of the all-terrain vehicle is assembled from aluminum sheets and is made in the form of a boat with a smooth bottom, and the engine and transmission are located in a sealed body, which, together with the tires, provides good buoyancy and prevents water from getting inside. The all-terrain vehicle consists of 2 sections, the first of which contains the engine transmission compartment and the cabin with controls, and the second contains a compartment for the cargo platform or passenger compartment. The sections are connected to each other by a central hinge with 3 degrees of freedom, controlled by hydraulic cylinders. VYMPEL is equipped with wheels and tubeless ultra-low pressure tires of its own design. The 120 horsepower Cummins turbocharged diesel engine transmits its power to a 5-speed manual gearbox, 3 positive lock transfer cases and drive axles with wheel reduction gears. The all-terrain vehicle has disc brakes. The ground clearance reaches 530 millimeters. The maximum angle of climb that can be overcome is 40 degrees. And the maximum speed is 50 km per hour. The carrying capacity of the all-terrain vehicle is 2,000 kilograms. TRECOL Arctica is an all-terrain vehicle with an 8x8 wheel arrangement, which is designed for all-season use and allows you to easily transport people and cargo on soft and dense soils, in off-road conditions, as well as on public roads. TRECOL has a mid-engine layout. The cabin and passenger module are made separately from aluminum alloys. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a diesel engine with a capacity of 170 horsepower, a 5-speed manual gearbox, hydrostatic steering with power cylinders on the steered axles. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with 4-layer ultra-low pressure tires measuring 1,600 by 700 millimeters. The tires have a large contact area with the ground and are characterized by high shock-absorbing properties. The TRECOL all-terrain vehicle is designed for 21 seats and has a load capacity of 4,000 kilograms. With a trailer, the mass of the transported cargo is 5,500 kilograms.
The originality of the XPEN design lies in the flexibility and maneuverability of the articulated frame, consisting of 2 welded half frames and a rotating mechanism between them. The design of the balancers is also original. It allows all 8 wheels to constantly be in contact with the supporting surface.
Shaman is a Russian super all-terrain vehicle of the Lux class with an 8x8 wheel arrangement on low-pressure tires. The Shaman all-terrain vehicle has 4 axles, but can also move on 4 wheels. Qualitative indicators of geometric cross-country ability are achieved through the use of independent suspension for each of the 8 wheels. The all-terrain vehicle has an insulated steel body, the lower part of which is sealed and made like a boat. Thanks to large wheels with Toro's low-pressure tires, the Shaman effortlessly overcomes impassable mud, swamps, deep snow and water obstacles. Shaman is equipped with a 3-liter Iveco diesel engine with a power of 146 horsepower. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission from ZF. The Shaman is equipped with ultra-low pressure tires. You can choose from 3 tread pattern options. In the basic configuration, these are tires with dimensions of 1,200 by 600 mm, but you can order even larger ones, with dimensions of 1,300 by 700 mm. To prevent the wheels, with pressure reduced to 0.05 atmospheres, from coming apart, a special fiberglass insert presses the tires to the aluminum rims. The maximum speed on land is 70 km per hour, minimum speed is 2 km per hour. The carrying capacity of the all-terrain vehicle on dense soils is up to 1,500 kilograms, on weak soils, up to 1,000 kilograms. Typhoon 8x8 is a 2-link all-terrain vehicle designed for operation in harsh climatic conditions, as well as off-road conditions, marshy terrain, and virgin snow. The Typhoon all-terrain vehicle has 2 sealed bodies, the first of which houses the cabin, and the second, a body for transporting people, cargo, or installing process equipment. Both links have an autonomous ventilation and heating system. Also, the first link houses the engine and transmission compartment. The Typhoon 8x8 all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a swivel coupling device. It allows the vehicle links to rotate in vertical, horizontal and longitudinal vertical planes. Moreover, different types of turns are performed independently of each other. This is ensured by a design feature. The swivel coupling device contains horizontal and vertical folding hydraulic cylinders, which are controlled from the driver-operator's seat. The high maneuverability of the all-terrain vehicle is ensured by horizontal folding hydraulic cylinders, which act as a swivel device. In turn, vertical folding hydraulic cylinders ensure a smooth ride during movement, acting as shock absorbers. The Typhoon all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a turbocharged diesel engine with a capacity of 3,200 cubic centimeters, working in tandem with an automatic transmission. There is a low and high gear and differential locks. The speed of the all-terrain vehicle on water is up to 6 km per hour. The speed on land is up to 60 km per hour. The carrying capacity is 2.5 tons. The volume of the fuel tanks is 800 liters. Low-pressure tires with a diameter of 1,650 mm and a water displacement of 1,000 liters per will allow you to pass through water obstacles and get out onto ice. The 8-wheeled all-terrain vehicle has a range of 2,000 kilometers, with an average speed of 20 kilometers per hour. This is a new version of the 8-wheeled all-terrain vehicle Rousac, which the developers themselves call the second generation. Externally, the updated model is similar to the previous version, but the body of the new Rousac has become larger and more spacious. The design is based on a sealed boat frame, inside which the units and components of the all-terrain vehicle are hidden. They are accessible from inside the cabin, so there is no need to go outside for repairs and maintenance. This is especially valuable since the all-terrain vehicle is designed for operation at temperatures from -50 to +50 degrees Celsius. The body has a composite structure. All elements of complex shape such as the rear of the body, the front and the hood are made of fiberglass panels, and the remaining panels are made of aluminum. The panels are fixed to a steel safety frame, which ensures that the living space is preserved in the event of rollovers and overturns. The thickness of the insulation layer is 40 mm. Together with 3 standard heaters, this allows you to comfortably stay inside at outside temperatures down to -60 degrees Celsius. The increase in the dimensions of the vehicle, the length is 10 meters, including the interior, made it possible to increase the number of passengers to 20 people, including the driver and his assistant navigator. The increase in the weight of the all-terrain vehicle forced the installation of more powerful suspension springs and wheels measuring 1,780 by 710 mm, providing a 25% larger contact patch. The spare wheel is now located at the rear. A special winch is provided to work with it. The engine has been improved. A self-designed oil pan has been installed, since during steep climbs and descents, currently more than 40 degrees, the standard part exposed the oil intake. The transmission has remained the same. It is a 6-speed gearbox. The transfer case, main gears and wheel reducers are of our own design. The maximum speed of the updated Rousac all-terrain vehicle on solid ground is 60 km per hour, and afloat without a water jet is 4 km per hour. But when installing a water jet with a drive from the transfer case, the speed on the water will increase to 8 km per hour.